Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to our maths online class. I'm your teacher Ms. Ramsha here. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter 10, that is about area and perimeter. So let's start our topic from book page number 276. Students, first of all we have to be clear about what is the difference between perimeter and area. As we already have done this topic in previous class in grade 3, this is something advanced in this topic, so you have to first of all recall that topic. What is perimeter? The perimeter of a figure is the distance around it. For example, this is a shape. We have a square shape here. What will be perimeter of this shape? The distance around that shape means you are going to move along the boundary wall of that shape. That will be your perimeter. And what will be the area of that shape? Area of a figure is the amount of surface taken up by the figure. जो भी फिगर है उसमें वो जितना सरफेस एरिया कवर करेगा, ठीक है, दैट विल बी योर एरिया. इट मीन्स द इनसाइड the area is inside of this shape. Okay, so how we will calculate the perimeter and area? We will calculate perimeter and area of a certain shape with the help of a formula. Okay, what will be the formula? First of all, we are going to find out the perimeter of the square. What will be perimeter, students? As you know, whenever you have a square shape, all four sides will be equal. If there is a 5 centimeter length of this square shape, so all sides will be equal to 5 centimeter. Whenever you are going to find out the perimeter of the square, you are going to add all these sides of the square shape. Okay, 5 plus 5, there are 4 sides, so 4 times we are going to add 5 centimeter, and our perimeter will be 20 centimeter. Area of the square, how we will find the area? We are going to write down the formula first. The formula is length of side multiplied by length of side, first side and then second side. Okay, we are just going to multiply two sides only of a square shape. Not we are not going to multiply all the sides, only two sides you are going to multiply. Whenever you are going to multiply, our answer will be 25 centimeter square. Yes, there is a big difference between in the units we are going to write down with perimeter and area. Okay, whenever you are going to write down the unit of a perimeter, you will write only centimeter. Whenever you are going to write the unit with area, you are going to write it centimeter square. Okay, next shape is here, that is rectangle. As you know, we have opposite sides equal in rectangle shape. If this is 6 centimeter, it means this will also be 6 centimeter, and if this is 4 centimeter, this will be 4 centimeter as well. Again the formula, perimeter means you are going to add all 4 sides. Okay, it will become 20 centimeter, and area means you are going to write down formula first. Formula is length multiplied by breadth. Okay, here is the difference between the formula of area of rectangle and area of square. Square में आप two sides को multiply करते हैं. Okay, but in rectangle you are going to multiply length multiply by breadth. Okay, length is 6 centimeter and this is breadth 4 centimeter, and whenever you are going to multiply them, answer will be 24 centimeter square. Okay, the next is students, we are going to find out the area and perimeter of different shapes. Okay, with two different types. For example, this was first shapes with the given values of their length and breadth. But if you have a shape on the grid, you can see here are two shapes on the grid paper. Okay, we have a grid paper here and we have two shapes on this. We are going to find out the perimeter and area. As you already know that students, whenever you are going to find out the perimeter means you are going to move along the boundary wall of that shape. Okay, so boundary wall means you are going to count all these grid stations here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the perimeter of shape A is 10 centimeter. What will be area? Area means you are going to count their blocks 1 2 3 4. So area is 4 centimeter square. In next shape you can see we are going to move along the boundary walls to find out the perimeter. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So the perimeter is 12 and area means you are going to count the blocks inside this shape 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the area is 6 centimeter square here. Students, this is all about your today's lecture. I hope you will understand this topic. But what will be your homework? You are going to note down your homework. You are going to solve workbook pages that are page number 185 and 186 and 187. Students, you can see here page number 185, and you are going to find out area and perimeters on page number 186. Students, you can see you will write proper statements, proper formulas, then you will find out perimeter and area of each shape. And page number 187, you are going to attempt 3 pages on your workbook. Thank you so much, students. Allah Hafiz.